Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Ubuntu 22.04.4 LTS version on VMware Workstation. First go to Ubuntu official website, that is ubuntu.com. Click on Get Ubuntu, then click on Desktop, then click on Downloads. See here we have the desktop, server, IoT and cloud. The process is same for desktop or server. So click on Ubuntu desktop. See here we have the Ubuntu 22.04 LTS or Ubuntu 23.10. The installation process is same for both the versions. Click on download 22.04.4. Wait, it is going to download. See, download has been started. Go to downloads. See, the size is 4.7 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded Ubuntu 22.04.4 desktop edition. Okay, in your case wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware. If you haven't installed VMware, then go to the link provided in the video description and install it. I am using VMware Workstation Player. It is free to use for non-commercial purpose. Start VMware. Click on VMware Workstation Player. Maximize it. See, these are the list of the virtual machines. So to create new virtual machine for the Ubuntu 22.04.4 LTS version, click on create a new virtual machine. Then select the downloaded ISO file. Click on browse. Then select it. Click on open. Then click on next. Provide the information. I am giving R2 schools. Username also R2 schools. Click on next. UB 22.04.4 LTS. Copy it. Click on browse to store this virtual machine files and folders location. VMs. Then click on make new folder. Paste it. Click on OK. Click on next. Provide the disk size. I am giving 100 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, if you want to modify or edit these settings, you have to click on customize hardware. See, I am okay with all the settings. Click on close. See the checkbox here. If you check this checkbox, once you click on finish, it automatically starts the installation of Ubuntu 22.04.4 LTS version on VMware. Okay, if you want to check it, we have to manually start it. So I want to start it. Click on finish. Select the language and click on continue. I don't want to download at this moment. Click on next, continue. See, erase the disk and click on install. Click on continue. Select the region on this world map for the time zone. Okay, if you are from Chicago, you have to select here. If you are India, you have to select here. If you are from London, you have to select here. I am from India, I am selecting here. Then click on continue. See, now we have to create the username. I am giving R2 schools. Give the machine name. I am giving 22.04. This will be the computer name or host name of the Ubuntu machine, and this will be the username. Okay, provide the password for this user. Click on continue. See, installation has been already started. Okay, I am pausing this video until this installation completes. See, installation has been completed successfully. Click on restart now. Click on username, then provide the password. Double click on it, again maximize it, we will get the full screen. See, if you want to connect any one of these online accounts, you have to click on them and you have to provide credentials. Otherwise, click on skip. If you want to enable Ubuntu Pro, you have to select this one. Otherwise, skip for now and click on next. I don't want to send system information, click on next. I don't want to enable local services, so keep this as it is and click on next. All done, click on done. Now open terminal by clicking on this show applications, then click on terminal. Let me maximize the font. Click on this custom font, click on it, increase the font size, click on select, click on close. Now verify whether this is Ubuntu 22.04.4 LTS version or not. That is more/etc os-release. Remind me later. See, we have installed Ubuntu 22.04 LTS version. Okay, so if you want to verify IP of this machine, do ifconfig. See, it is not found, so install it. Install NetTools. Copy this one, paste it, hit enter. Now verify IP. See, this is the IP. This IP you can connect from the putty as well. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS version on VMWare Workstation player. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.